Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Since weather is changing and soon there will be fresh vegetables in the market including peas. So I thought to share some tangy and spicy peas recipe, Chatpate matar with you guys today. You can serve it as an appetizer or side dish or have it as a snack as well. So let's go and make it happen. So first I take peas and transfer them into a saucepan, and now I'm moving on to the stove. Then I'm adding enough water which will be required to boil our peas. Then I'm adding salt, black pepper powder, red chili flakes and a little bit of sugar. Sugar will help us retain peas color and it will make this a little bit of sweeter as well. Then start cooking on a high flame and when it comes to one boil, and then cook until peas are completely tender. When peas are completely tender and extra water dries out, then I'm adding some tamarind pulp and then start cooking on high flame again until all extra water dries out, and tamarind and all the spices will make a thick better pasty consistency which will stick to the peas, and then these peas are ready to serve. You can see how easy and quick this recipe is, and it's great for winter nights. As I said, you can serve it as an appetizer or for tea time snack as well, but I like it as like a main course with my chapati roti in cozy cold winter nights. If you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.